we looked at what causes male pattern hair loss, also known as androgenetic alopecia, and busted some myths along the way. But there is so much confusion out there about which treatments actually work and which treatments are bogus. So let's clear things up right now by taking a look at all the scientifically backed treatment options that can help those of us who are going bald. A common question I get from men is, I don't want to use any medications for hair loss. Isn't there something natural I can use? To answer this question, it helps to realize that androgenetic alopecia is a completely natural process. Men who lead a healthy lifestyle can still go bald if their genetics are programmed to shut off hair growth as they grow older. So trying to stop male pattern hair loss requires us to swim against the tide and fight an otherwise normal process. Even though there are many supplements and shampoos that claim to stop hair loss, the science behind them is sketchy. Multiple studies have shown that dietary supplements do not help with male pattern hair loss unless there is an underlying deficiency. For example, one study recommends vitamin D and iron supplements in people who are found to have low levels. But overall, it is unusual for healthy men to be lacking key nutrients unless they have a restricted diet or an underlying medical condition. There are also shampoos that claim to help with hair loss. They sometimes contain ingredients such as saw palmetto, caffeine, and an antifungal agent called ketoconazole. There are some low-quality trials that show that there may be some benefit with these agents, but these trials have a high risk of bias. For example, some of these trials lack a control group, or don't have objective measures of hair growth, or only test the product on a very small number of people. That's why these ingredients have not been elevated to the list of standard treatments for hair loss. So if you're thinking of trying these products, it helps to keep low expectations. On the flip side, there is one thing that many men do that actually accelerates hair loss. In multiple observational studies, men who smoke cigarettes start balding earlier in life and lose their hair faster than those who don't.